So just going to show you how to get into your shower waste so you can clean it out, any maintenance that needs doing to it, collection of grime, hair and such. On this particular one, it's already been cleaned out. Customer couldn't get into it, unscrewed it all and trap fell down and everything. So I'm going to show you how to get into it. So this top cover on this one will pull up like that, and then you've got the trap, which is this, and then this middle bit will pull out, and that's what creates the trap. You have the basket, which is also part of the trap with the water in there, so you can pull that out. So all of this can be cleaned up, and that can be cleaned up, and then inside here, that is the bottom bit of your trap, and that's the waste that goes off, and this all can be cleaned out. And then sometimes if it's blocked, you can get a wet vac on here and suck out any debris that's built up in the actual waste. And if you're unsure whether the pipe works blocked and backing up, you can drop your shower in there directly. We'll turn that on. We can run it in there and make sure it's flowing away nicely without making too much mess and water anywhere. And then once we confirm that is flowing nicely, turn it all back off. That's off. We can put the trap back together. So basket goes back in first, then you put your trap part, I don't know what it's actually called, in, and what you have to do is fill that with a bit of water, or else your smells will get back in and it'll pong. So we fill that with a bit of water. Ooh, not a lot. So there you can see your water's in there. That's the seal, stop smells getting back up into your bathroom. And then line up the cover, these little toggles, and put them back on there. And that is how you clean and maintain your shower waste.